everybody, it's Melissa and I'm here to show you MSCR's Grab and Go Nature Kit for the week. This week our activity is all about flowers, and here's what your kit looks like when it comes. Your first activity is a scavenger hunt. You can take a walk around the park and look for all these different colors: yellow, orange, white, green, blue, purple, red, and brown. See where you can find them, and there's a marker in your kit so you can check them off as you go along. Find one or two really nice flowers that you like on your walk and take them with you for the next part of this activity. You're going to use in your kit, you have some scissors and a pair of tweezers, and you can carefully take apart the flower that you find. And there is a label for each of the different parts of the flowers, so you can try and match the flower parts that you have in the box with the different types of flower pieces that you have. And finally, we're going to make a sun catcher. Here's a sun catcher that I made out of the pieces of the flower that I dissected. So for that part, you're going to use this plastic sleeve. You can open it up and lay your flower pieces inside, and then this top part is like a sticker. So once the flower is arranged the way you like, you can peel back the sticker and carefully slide it down over it. Then, if you would like it to be a different shape, you can cut into the shape that you like, or you can just trim off any edges. And you have a piece of twine that you can stick through to hang it up with. And you made yourself a beautiful flower sun catcher. So those are the activities in our nature kit this week, and we can't wait to see you there. Bye!